Okay, let's get into it. From the title you can guess we are gonna unbox the 1 by Wacom pen tablet. It's the 6-inch by 3.5-inch model and I bought it from Amazon for 3,849 rupees. So let's open it up. And we are greeted with a nicely packaged Wacom One tablet. Gonna unwrap this one. Bright red on the back and a black front. The active area where you will be drawing is the one marked by these white dots. Inside we have a micro USB cable to connect to the computer. Also, Wacom has provided 3 replaceable pen nibs with a nib removal tool. Warranty and user guide. And lastly, we have the Wacom Inverse pen with 2 programmable buttons on the side. It has 2048 pressure levels and it doesn't even need a battery to operate. It actually uses electromagnetic resonance technology to draw on the tablet. Cool. You can buy a pen separately if you lose this one, but I'll wish you not to. Now let's set it up. We have to download the drivers first from Wacom's website. I will include this link in the description. So scroll down and download the one for your OS. It's a standard installer and won't take much time. After it's done, we need to restart our computer. Okay, we're back now. So connect your tablet via the USB cable and open tablet properties. First is the tip feel and you can set it to your liking. You can also click on customize and practice a bit to get it right where you want. Next, go to mapping and check force proportions. This will allow the tablet to use your screen's aspect ratio and help you to draw more accurately. And we're done. So hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.